Pero ano, yung worry, babalik ka rin ang character mo sa parang Quiapo para makabawi ka sa finances mo. So big relief sa akin na big relief sa akin na I've got a waiting job.
Wow. So, may resurgence sa character niya sa
Yeah, tamang-tama. Tamang-tama yung character ko was supposed to have a big confrontation na.
Yeah,
With Christopher Bellon's character. Hindi ka na-arrest ako. So, pinahold niya. Pinalabas na Hong Kong ka.
Pero grabe, no, the day of your release, doon din nag-text si Directo.
Well, nag-message ako na I'm out. Na-sign na yung release. Na-sign ko.
Sign sa date.
Kinakabahan.
Kailan po yung first day?
Wala pang balita.
Pero at least sure,
Yeah.
sinabi ni Directo. How do you feel na para, di ba, parang may tulong agad mula sa kapwa?
Relief. Thankful. Thankful that there are people like that who are ready and open.
Na nakakatuwa lang. Ganito, you are in industry na napaka-effective.
I think it's a lot of it is also because of social media that a lot of information is able to hindi lang sa atin ang ganito sa atin. A lot of information is able to be shared and people can research better.
With you, brother,
Yes.
kamusta? Nararamdaman ba rin yung mga nararamdaman mo yung pinagdadaanan?
Parang, but I'm not sure kung we're fraternal. Twins. But, when I get to use the call center, we are able to talk. Siya nasa Florida siya eh. So we were able to talk. In fact, he was able to set up a fundraising which was able to help me sa mga expenses.
Oh, wow.
And,
Dahil rin po pala talaga tumulong.
yeah. But again, it's thankful that it happened in this time. It's easy to get in touch with people, and then it's my kids are grown. It would have been so much harder kung maliliit sila at nangyari ko.
Ito daw na po yung mga anak niyo.
The youngest is 27,
Wow, oo. Of age. And then the eldest.
31.
31 and 27.
Sam.
Nadalaw ka ba?
Sachi 27.
Apat sila.
Apat.
I mean, yung dalawa na yung stepsons, Marinas boys. Yung ages nila ganun, from 31 down to
That's family. Sino ang mga kanal?
Sam, Sachi, si Mark. Si Joshua may event out of town kasi. Biglaan lang namin na uy, magkita tayo now that may konting window.
Your daughters are with you.
No, they have their own
Kasi 31 and 27.
Pero,
Are they married?
nadalaw ka ba nila sa Cagayan?
No.
Layo kasi.
They wanted to.
Oo.
Sabi ko, what?
Ikaw mismo.
I said it's enough na we can squeeze in when pag umayag sa window ng call time. Mag-FaceTime na lang. Sabi ko, the expense of going back and forth, mas magagamit nila.
Pero nagkita na kayo nung lumabas ka? Nagkita
Yesterday.
ka? Okay, yes.
Sa Pilipinas.
ano yung talaga mo talagang yung reaction nila that sabi mo nga naging tearful din yung yung pagkakita.
Actually, okay yung mga yakap-yakap. We did a lot of yakap, the physical touch, kesa yung FaceTime lang. But okay lang. It's okay lang. But when we started talking,